Yo, what's up? Ako nga pala si Cyberflex at ito ang 10 NBA players na dahil lang sa basketball may bitaw kundi pata rin sa rap game. Top 10 ay ang legend ng Spurs bago pa ang Wemby era, ang 4-time NBA champion at isang finals MVP. Walang iba kundi ang The Flash ng France na si Tony Parker na may rap name na Tony P.
Tony P. Ok, j'accélère, ne blague pas, le but flinguer les mots, gère le profil de l'emploi, le feed, je viens l'égorger.
Okay, di mo akalaing magiging rap na rap talaga yung bagsakan, no? Kala ko dati good boy lang to eh.
T'as du souci à te faire, mes soldats sont dans les tranchées. Le rap pris en otage en 4 mesures, tu cries danger.
At yeah, inirelease niya ito noong 2005, saktong-sakto sa pagsikat niya sa NBA. Kaya naman talagang naging matunog lalo ito sa sarili niyang bansa na France.
On s'est connus, on était gosses, c'était mon premier love. Bien avant le basket, mon premier titre, toujours ensemble.
Sabay hirit na madamdaming love song, no?
Est-ce que tu penses que t'es prêt, baby? C'était boum boum dans le club, baby.
Tapos biglang pang banger sa club naman, no? Pero wag ka, naging top 1 ito sa France noong 2007. Lalo na't napakainit pa ng pangalan niya noon dahil nag-champion ng Spurs noon at siya pa ang MVP. Top 9 ay ang NBA champion / defensive player of the year na bad boy at literal na balagbag, mapakort man o tugmaan na si Ron Artest aka Ron Loco. Grabe pala yung bagsakan ni Ron Artest, no? Sobrang ghetto kaya talagang bumengkong yung ulo ni Harden eh. At kumpara kay Parker, mas seryoso itong si Artest sa craft niya dahil siguro matagal na rin siyang nagra-rap talaga at mas may impluensya talaga ng mga gangsta rapper sa lugar niya na pinagmulan na Queens sa New York. At dito mas nagmukhang tunog mainstream naman siya siguro dahil may mga kasama na rin siyang mga sikat na rappers.
Party so hard that my eyes are boho. I specialize in everything that can't be done. Ain't no more talk about it.
At ito men, as a fan of 2K, ngayon ko lang nalaman na si Ron Artest pala yung kumanta nito.
Moment of silence for the champ. They say we warriors.
Yeah, ito yung pinaka-iconic niya dahil lumabas ito pagkatapos ng Lakers Championship kasama si Kobe at naging part din ng 2K11 soundtrack kaya maraming fans ang nakakakilala dito.
They say we did it again. Hands high for the champ.
Top 8 ay ang minsan ding naging Agent 8 na alamat at kilala sa kanyang killer instinct at mentalidad na minsang kumamada ng historical 81 points ang 5-time NBA champ, 2-time finals MVP, 1-time season MVP, ang gun but not forgotten na si Kobe Bryant, also known as the Black Mamba.
Love's a sword, slicing gently through my body. Burn so sweet, blood boils when you speak.
Aba, may mga paganon-ganon pala si Kobe, no?
Makes me weak. Yet when I sleep, I feel tears trickling down my chest.
Kasi malapit na talaga siyang pumasok sa music industry bago pa siya tuluyang maging NBA player. Dahil sa kanyang early rap career, habang teenager pa, ay nagre-record na si Kobe ng mga kanta at naging part pa ng isang rap group na Jay-Z kasama ang mga kaibigan niya at may influence din ng East Coast hip-hop dahil lumaki siya sa Philadelphia at Italy.
Think ya, eyeing me? All along I'm eyeing you. The hunter becomes the hunted, girl. I'm praying on you.
At ito namang kantang to ay in-release around All-Star Weekend noong 2000 na may rap style ng R&B / pop crossover.
Beautiful feelings we share are mutual. Passion is tailor-made, so for us it's suitable.
Kobe! Go ahead, Kobe! Yo, what's up with my mic? What's up with the mic? What's up? Let's do it like we do it back home. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.
At yeah, meron ding isang unreleased rap album si Kobe na pinamagatang Vision na may usap-usapan ding ka-fit sila Nas at 50 Cent. Kaya naman sayang talaga yung pagkaka-cancel neto.
Yo, Kobe, y'all know me. Put them hands up. Miss Kyra on fire. Here at Team Up. Gon' get y'all what y'all want when the system bump.
Top 7 ay ang kanya namang frenemy na malahiganteng sumisira ng ring pag dumadakdak na tinuturing ding bilang pinakadominante player sa history na may 4-time NBA champion, 3-time finals MVP at isang season MVP, walang iba kundi si Shaquille O'Neal aka The Diesel.
You wanna fight, come fight me. I hit you with the wow.
Yes, si Shaquille O'Neal ang isa sa pinaka-legit na NBA players na nagkaroon talaga ng actual rap career. Na hindi gimmick-gimmick lang, kumbaga may albums talaga siya like Shaq Diesel noong 1993 na naging platinum pa sa US.
I get dirty at the dark. Got you like Spielberg. You get your rap to get in the park.
What's up, Doc? I'm
I'm the hooper, hyper, projected by Viper.
At ito naman ay collab niya sa Fushnikens, isang sikat na rap group na sinabi niyang favorite niya sa isang interview. Kaya naman sinama siya ng grupo na ito sa isang track na nag-top 40 pa sa Billboard Hot 100.
When I'm out the hooping, yo, you better decipher.
Oh, teka lang, nakasubscribe ka na ba?
Cause I'm gonna be a Shaq knife and cut you with precision.
You don't wanna really go hit him with the pepper, make him turn into a chili bowl.
At dito sa bago niyang rap, may kita mo na yung experience sa rhyming pa lang at sa flow.
Only with the riders in the city with their miners on the millies. If you got it, they say give me those.
Top 6 ay ang minsan ding naging Agent 6 na may 4 na Finals MVP. Sa kanya ding 4 na kampyonato sa 3 iba't ibang koponan. At ang current all-time NBA scoring leader na 2 dekada na naghahari, aka Lolo Bron the King, LeBron James.
No chance to make it out. That's what they said. But look at me, I'm here. Boss of the spread.
At bago nyo pa mapagkamalang AI to, quick info, noong 2011, kasagsagan ng NBA lockout, nag-record sina LeBron at KD at in-upload lang ata ito sa SoundCloud. Underground track talaga siya. Tungkol ang kanta sa pressure ng pagiging NBA superstar, fame, expectation at hirap ng buhay sa taas. Ang astig lang dahil sobrang lupit ng collab, tapos hindi nila naisipang gawa ng music video, talagang nilabas lang nila yung nararamdaman nila sa isang track. Kaya naman nung kumalat na ito online ay talagang sumabog ito sa buong NBA fans
The GOAT!
at napag-usap-usapan din talaga.
You think this is easy? I didn't make it do. I make it look easy over here. From 602 to 747, I miss you, Grandma Frida. RIP in heaven.
Well, fit lang naman siya doon ng ating top 5 na isa namang pure scorer na halos walang depensa ang makaharang. Ang 2-time NBA champion, 1 Finals MVP at 1 MVP ng liga, ang isa sa pinaka-unstoppable shooter ng kasaysayan. Walang iba kundi si KD, also known as Easy Money Sniper / Slim Reaper o kaya naman Durantula.
And now I'm grown up, I got a couple dollars on me. Spent a semester in school, I ain't no scholar, homie.
Ganda ng rapping voice ni KD, parang tunog 90s rapper talaga.
Who with me? Who with me? Can dudes with me? Shoot with me?
I ain't really with it. I wake up, see the money, then I go and get it.
At ito naman ay ang kanyang freestyle sa beat ng kanta ni Jay-Z at Kanye West na What You Need.
Yeah, a W up on my fitted in the purple and cream soda is all a nigga sipping.
Rest in peace to Barbara Davis. We hit another layer. When she speak to me, it's like she's saying prayer.
At ito, medyo bago to, no? Dahil 2024 lang ito inilabas.
I feel like Randy Moss when he was on the Raiders. Man, they love the haters. This woman so fine, I give her cash pay.
Sa 4 ay ang high flyer / slam dunk legend at one-time NBA champion naman na si Aaron Gordon na pwede ring tawaging Air Gordon.
Used to hoop in your Converse so comfortably. Knew one day I'd be good and you'd come for me.
At ito naman ay napagtripan niya noong 2020, noong pandemic at kasalukuyang walang magawa sa bahay.
You know it would make me this hungry. Looking at your judgment and everyone's wondering.
Top 3 ay ang akin namang favorite player, wearing also number 3, ang sinaunang Bone Collector na minsan luminlang kay Jordan, na masasabi kong isa sa pinaka-ma-impluwensyang NBA player. Bakit? Well, binago niya lang naman hindi lang ang laro, kundi pati na rin ang kultura ng buong NBA mula sa swaggy na crossover, maangas na braids, arm sleeves, elbow band, finger band, hip-hop style na pananamit at baggy jersey na ginawa talagang panlaro noon. Man, ang tunay na gangsta bago pa magka-Jamorant na may 11-time All-Star, 2 times All-Star MVP, 4-time scoring champion at 1-time MVP Dan Ground King. Walang iba kundi si Allen Iverson, also known as The Answer, na may rap name naman na G Wells.
For the year 2G, the rap game changed for one name. Jules aim to slain anything on this plane.
Grabe man, sobrang angas talaga at may bitaw.
Remains are found when the best kept secret get heated. You went platinum with a ghostwriter, so in the game you won, you cheated. 2K3, I rock the A6, my new kick.
Commercial na ng sapatos mo tapos rap verse mo pa? San ka pa, di ba?
Take a few hits, it ain't nothing, I'm used to it. Trying to build a team, I'm the player you need. Hard like Willis Reed, top thief and score in the league. I had a rough night, slept on 10,000 $100 bills.
Well, dahil madalas siya naglalabas ng raw at aggressive lyrics na tumatalakay sa street life struggles, naging controversial ito dahil sa mga explicit content at timing habang siya ay NBA star. Kumbaga, minasama nila ito at dahil sa backlash mula sa NBA image standards at sponsors, hindi na tinuloy ni Iverson ang rap career at bumalik siya sa full focus sa basketball kung saan siya naging cultural icon naman ng liga.
Wake up the fake every day. It's real, so I keep focused on a meal.
Baga kahit hindi nagtagal ang music side niya, malaki ang impact niya at talaga namang naitawid ang hip-hop culture sa NBA.
Wanna put me back in the streets to rob, hustle, stealing. Nah.
Top 2 ay ang hari naman ng clutch sa mga huling segundo, ang 7-time All-Star na may koleksyon ng mga buzzer beater na yumanig sa buong arena. Please welcome ang isa sa mga naging mainstream rapper ng NBA na si Damian Lillard, aka Dame Dollar.
Big money, I'm the flavor. Gold timepiece. Better ask about me, known to keep a fine freak.
Solid no? Parang sa sound trip mo talaga kahit hindi mo kilala si Damian Lillard eh.
Living my best life, trying to reach my peak. Bring a diamond around me, it's a given, I'm a beat. Dollar, thankful for the struggles, got that armor real.
At yun, totoo talagang seryoso si Dame sa kanyang pagrarap. Isa sa mga pinaka-consistent at may mga full projects at legit streaming presence.
No, it wasn't only me that made me hard to. Relationships changing, got an awkward feel. But your strength came in my weakness with that cloth reveal. We out, sending shots on some lovey-dovey. Haha, Davis to the bank, I got money.
May collaborations din siya sa mga real hip-hop artists at nakilala rin siya hindi lang bilang NBA rapper kundi tunay na MC talaga na NBA player lang ang day job.
Celebrities playing rich, just a bunch of junk. And you know what it mean if you see me getting chunky.
At ayun no, nagpi-freestyle pa.
I mean it when I say it, bro, we started from the bottom. Childhood friends dropping like leaves in this autumn.
At sa atin namang top 1 ay ang pambansang kampyon ng Golden State at ang unang unanimous MVP sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Taglayang 4 na gintong singsing ng kampyonato at 2 finals MVP na tropeyo at ang corona bilang all-time leader sa mga pinakamaraming tres sa buong kalawakan. Ang pamatay sa malayuang distansya na swak pa din kahit galing pa yan sa logo ng court. Please welcome Step Chef. Look at Wardell Curry, man. So inspirational.
James, I noticed that you think you can sing, but this is the remix with Stephen Curry.
What?
So put down that mic and stick with basketball.
Well, trip-trip lang naman to sa isang commercial. Pero tingnan natin kung may bubuga pa si Stephen Curry.
The outpost might be open later, but Allison cannot flavor your tater.
Well, at least magaling siya mag-shoot, di ba?
Skip class today, and all I could say is,